1. The general description of the situation in Indonesia before COVID, during COVID, and new normal. Before COVID, the situation in Indonesia before COVID was fine. All economic and business activities were running smoothly and safely. During COVID, the situation in Indonesia during COVID was very bad. Lots of businesses went bankrupt and lots of employees were fired because businesses went bankrupt. New normal. The condition of Indonesia in the new normal era tends to be good because the economy has started to improve. Various businesses have also been running and economic growth has also increased. 2. The description of the boom and bust cycle before COVID, during COVID, and the new normal in business sector in Indonesia. Before COVID, Indonesia tends to move into a boom cycle because at that time, economic and business activities were very smooth and good. The tourism sector is also running well and smoothly. At the time before COVID-19, Indonesia was in a period of good economic growth. The inflation rate was also low at that time. During COVID, Indonesia tends to move into a bad cycle because at that time the situation in Indonesia was very chaotic. Many businesses had to close and go bankrupt, and also many employees were fired. During the COVID-19 pandemic, the Indonesian economy had to experience a setback and the inflation rate increased. It had an impact on the decline in the number of investment in Indonesia. The tourism sector was also affected by this time of COVID. Due to the social distancing policy, all tourist attractions has been to close. New normal. In the new normal era, Indonesia began to enter a boom cycle. All businesses have to start running, employees have to start working too, and the economy has also started to grow. In the new normal era, people have started their activities as usual. The tourism sector has also started to open with a limited number of visitors. 3. According to you, what are the advantages and the disadvantages of the COVID phenomenon in Indonesia? The disadvantages is during COVID is difficulty of doing activities. At the time of COVID, the government made a social distancing policy. This made people activities disrupted. And the advantage during COVID is when the digital era begins. Various activities can be done online. Many businesses have also been running online.